In this video, I'm going to show you how to record and add voiceovers in Canva. So the first thing that you need to do is log into your Canva account, and from wherever you are, you will either end up on the home dashboard or the templates dashboard. From wherever you are, navigate over to the left-hand column of menu options and click on projects. And when you do this, Canva will present all of the projects that you are currently working on. What you need to do is simply locate the video that you would like to add the voiceover in and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, Canva will open the video up in Canva's video editor in a new window. So now with your video open, navigate down to the timeline and click on add audio. And when you do that, there will be 4 options that you can select from. Click on record voiceover. And now when you do that, there'll be a red record button. Click on that button and there'll be a countdown timer. So here is our voiceover for the video. It will be 8 seconds long. Okay. Once you're done, click on finish. And so it actually ended up being 10 seconds long. But as you can see in the timeline, here is our new recording. And if we play, so there is our video recording. So that is how you add voiceovers and voice recordings in Canva. I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And if there's anything that I may have missed or any point where you felt confused or any questions you may have regarding the tutorial, please feel free to leave them in the comment section of the video and I will respond to them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.